Hiya, it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and it's that time of the month again where we have our monthly Hero Arts kit. And as always, it's going to be two videos, one opening up the kit, seeing what's in it, and the second one is a project. Both videos will be on the same blog post, so just take a look at that by going to the link that's below the video. If you're on YouTube, it says show more, and then you'll find the link there and it will take you to that blog post, and you'll have, as I say, both videos on there, but also loads of photos of the finished projects, links to the products used, etc, etc. But let's get on with this video, which is going to be opening up the kit. So as always, it comes wrapped up. I just clicked open the sellotape here, but I haven't actually taken a peek at what's inside. As always, I like to open this with you guys. So we got two packs. I'm going to put this one to one side. That's usually the main item of the die and stuff. So let's have a look at what we've got in this one first. This looks like foam tape, which would be great. It is. I love foam tape. I know I love my pin flare, but I do love foam tape on a roll like this. And these are two different thicknesses. You can hopefully just catch that. So that's two packs of foam tape. It's a 1mm and a 2mm. Then we have a pen, a Tombow mono drawing pen, a water-based ink marker. Now, have I got a scrap paper? Yeah, let's have a little see what we've got here. Oh, it's a lovely fine liner, which is really helpful. Actually, again, another really useful thing. And funny enough, another thing that I have actually, my marker has, my thin fine liner black is really on its last legs, so that's handy. And then we've got some beautiful card. We've got one, gosh, it's so thick. I thought it was going to be like 3 or 4 sheets, but it's actually 2 sheets, but it's just such heavyweight cardstock. I mean, that's like 300 GSM, I would say, maybe 280. I don't know, because it's probably in American on their website, but the American version, is it pounds? Anyway, so that's beautiful. So we've got a few different colours in that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colours. Really nice. And this one feels a little lighter than these. Actually, these feel heavy, and this one, these two at the back feel a little bit lighter weight, but we'll have to see. But these, I think, are a perfect size. These, I think, are half an American piece of card. And then so you can fold them in half to make, is it an A3? I don't know what you guys call it. I'm sorry, but it's 4 1/4 by 5, 4 1/4 by 5.5. I think when you fold it, if I'm not mistaken. So that's really good. So you've got some really nice basic card bases ready done. All you need to do is fold. These ones here, these two at the back, the red and this sort of lovely taupe tan colour, feel too light to make a card base, but they're still really nice. And then obviously we've got this lovely vellum. Okay, so we've got a load of consumable here. So we've got, these are consumable, and these are this one here is what I would call a semi-permanent. Even though you kind of consume it and eventually it runs out, it does last a lot longer, like an ink pad. So to me, that's a semi-permanent item. So now we get on to what I call permanent items. Obviously not the ribbon, that is obviously a consumable. So then we have here a stamp set and a die set. So the die set is this gorgeous sort of seam. It's very 3D looking, actually. It's got the way the die is, oh, that goes that way. It's definitely making it look like, when you cut that, you're going to really feel like it's coming in, because you can see the street, like the street and stuff. It's going to look amazing. And that looks like water. So, oh yes, it says here, look, a 4x6 stamp set, 7 fancy dies, 2 rolls of 1/2 inch foam tape in 2 thicknesses, 14 sheets of 5.5 by 8.25, so I was right about that size, of assorted colours, Tombow black pen, and 2 sheets of 5.5 by 8.5 vellum. So there you go, so nice list. So that's that, and then on this side, as I said, we've got the stamps, but you're not going to see that against that colour right there. I'm going to get you a piece of paper to put it against so that you can see. We've got some really great sentiments. I would say on this one, looking at that die set, that's like your main element, and these sort of extras, like here you've got obviously the little birds and leaves and the wine set there, and obviously lots of lovely sentiments as well to use. Okay, so that is it. That is our kit for this month. Don't forget to click on that link to go to the blog post so that you can go across and see the project video. But otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the contents of this kit, and I hope to see you over at the blog post and at the project video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.